So you say you wanna be loved like a woman is supposed to be, and you're so tired of being misunderstood. Well, I got a remedy for your body. Come on, spend the evening with J-Red, the nephew.
Girl, it's a pleasure to be with you. You're looking so lovely. What a vision you are to my eyes. Ain't no place I wanna be than right here with you. My love, my one and only. So let's just set the mood and unwind. Sit on down, let me take off your shoes and massage your feet, baby. Let these hands of mine take you away. Girl, just relax and get comfortable. Tell me, how was your day? It's all about you right now, my sweet babe, my sweet babe. I just wanna love on you, girl.
Touch you, baby.
Oh yeah.
Feel you, baby. And kiss you everywhere.
I just wanna
touch you, baby.
touch you, baby.
Squeeze you, baby.
Oh,
Kiss you everywhere. Yeah.
I wanna ease your mind, sing you a melody, and run my fingers through your hair. Girl, let me pour you a glass of wine to help relieve your stress. Baby, I don't want you to have a care in this world while I'm rubbing your shoulders down. Anything you desire in my power, girl, is yours. Let's indulge in this moment till we both drown. Intoxicate me, baby. Girl, just cuddle up to me and I'ma wrap my arms around you. It's love, love on you, baby. Oh,
Feel you, baby.
oh,
Everywhere.
I just wanna love on you, baby, baby, baby.
Touch you, baby.
Touch on you, baby,
Squeeze you, baby.
and kiss you everywhere. We gon' turn the lights down low and let the evening flow and get lost in each other. Hey, baby, play the music nice and slow and let it soothe your soul.
And get lost.
Baby, let's get lost. Baby, let's get lost in each other, baby, baby. See, we don't have to make love in order for love to be in the midst of us. Oh no. And I just feel like you need a little bit of TLC